What about this one?
In a world where you can be anything, be a number 50. There's a player here wearing number 50. I wear number 50. I love number 50. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and play it. So there's a number 50 in the game. Let's see. Oh,
there he is.
Little rebound.
Nice.
He's huge, so he gets the rebound.
Oh, he hands it to the little kid.
Uh-oh.
They try to get it in the hoop.
Where's the other team?
But they keep missing.
In the white, I think.
So the other team knows what's going on too.
Yeah.
And number 50 is just helping this other kid
Lovely.
get a basket.
Oh my goodness, he's so happy.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, high fives with the coach.
50 got the mission like before the game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
You're
like
the biggest.
They're like, listen, get over here.
Get over here.
He comes, walks over. Like we're getting. What's the other guy's number? The little guy is.
Was it 0?
0.
It was 0.
They're like, Zero's getting a bucket today, and you're gonna help him out. He's like, I'm here for that mission.
Yeah.
He took it real serious.
Yeah.
And I don't know if he discussed it with the other team or what took place, but somehow he cleared up. They cleared the way for this beautiful moment to take place, where the smaller player probably hasn't scored a basket. Maybe
So excited.
maybe ever.
Yeah.
It has now gotten his first basket, presumably,
This is lovely.
and is on top of the world, and is actually celebrating instead of going back to the game.
Yeah. He's done.
He's on the sidelines. He's like, "That's it, man. We got this is
peak moment right here.
the highlight right here. This is the highlight." He's like, "Let's go sell. Where's the champagne?
The finger guns.
Yeah, where's this? Like, we're having a time."
Oh.
Yeah.
Shout out Samir. Yeah, shout out number 50. Must be something about that number because I'm telling you, I put that number on too. I like that number.